Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need white, pink, and black pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and I have a few pieces of just scrap string here because we're going to make this in different sections. So you're going to start off with one piece of string and you're going to put on a light pink on one side and white on the other, and just let those beads go to the middle. You're going to add a white and both strings will go through. You're going to add white on both sides, white that goes through both, white on both sides, white that goes through both, and then light pink and white. We're going to hold this end here and pull the other one, and then you'll pull these down to make it tight, and then you'll tie the strings together. Okay, you can cut that off. We're going to put our needle on. And this is what it looks like. You're going to go through this white, we're going to add one black, one white, and then one black. We'll flip this over, and this row will be white. The last white bead. Whoops. This time we're going to have to go down this white and this one. We're going to go up these two and then down this one. Flip it over. We're going to add a light pink, and then you're going to need one dark pink and another light. Okay, we'll flip this over. This row will be white. I added my last white here. We're going to go down this white and this black. So you're going down these two. And then we're going to go up these two and then down this one. Okay, this row will be white. This time we're going to go down these two, up this pink, and then down this white. Flip it over. This row will be white. This time we're going to go through these two. And then you're going to go ahead and tie this off. Okay, so we're going to set this aside and we'll start the ears. Okay, we're going to take one of those scrap pieces of string and you're going to add white on both sides light pink that goes through both strings, white, and then light pink on one side. That's what it looks like. Now, you want to leave some string on both ends. Go ahead and tie this. I'm going to put my needle on the long piece. And I'm going to go through this white. I'm going to add a white and go through this one. We'll flip this around and go through the white. And you're going to add another white and go through this pink. So that's what it looks like. Go ahead and stop the video because you need to make another one of these. I already made mine. And I also attached it. So I'm going to show you how to do this side. What we're going to do is take both strings and they're going to go through this pink bead. Okay. We're going to take this long one. We know I'm going to put my needle back on. We're going to go through this white. We're going to add a white and go through both of these white beads. If you can, try to get these knots out of the way. You can push them into the bead. Okay, we're gonna stop for a second and get this string ready. We're gonna put it through this white. And we're going to put it through this white and then up this one. Oops, I got twisted around. Okay, now we can take our needle and go through all three of these white beads. And now you can add 2 white. And we can tie these together. Now, if these knots are in your way, you're going to have to play with it and move them around. Like, I can already see this one needs to be tucked away. There. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.